I'm going to give you some real advice about HR data integration and how to choose an integration partner. I'm Pete Mannix, Chief Product and Technology Officer at SureCo. SureCo is a software platform that lets enterprise businesses allow their employees to pick the right health coverage for them and their families. SureCo gives employees customizable coverage while containing costs for companies. It's a cool win for everybody. Partnering with Flexspring for data integration saved us years of engineering work. Literally years. Here's the thing. If data integration isn't your core differentiator, it makes more sense to focus on your product. Let the team at Flexspring make sure everything connects. Cookie-cutter integrations don't work. When servicing a large enterprise, the way they store and interpret their data is unique to their business and their workflows. Rather than forcing the company to fit into our process, we meet them where they are. No matter the complexity, we found a safety net with Flexspring. This is a true partnership. There's a lot of bear traps in the HR data integration space. Flexspring helps us navigate that complex landscape. I've worked with many integration partners over the decades. Flexspring exceeded my expectations in every way. The best partnerships make your life easier. Flexspring has done that for us. I'd recommend Flexspring to anyone who needs a data integration partner.